Hello friends, welcome back to my home business channel. This is a home business channel. I'm Nilanjani Pedruheva from Sri Lanka. Today I am going to explain you how to cut armhole. My neck width 3.5 inches, my neck depth 6 inches, my shoulder length 14 inches. Okay, let's start. Okay, I draw a line. My shoulder length 14 inches. I divide by 2. It's equal to 7 inches. I mark 7 inches. Number 1. Number 2. Shoulder slope 1.5 inch. I measure and I mark number 3. Neck width 3.5 inches. Okay, I mark number 4. I draw my shoulder line, my shoulder. Now I am going to draw my armhole. My armhole length I can use 1 to 2 7 inches. I can use same length. Okay, if you want easy, you can add half inch another. If you want reduce, you can reduce half inch. Okay, I mark 7 inches and half inch for easy. I draw my armhole line. This is my armhole line. 7 inches. I measure again 7 inches. Same. 5, 6 is equal to 1 to 7 inches. Okay, same length. Same. Okay, all are 7 inches. I connect number 3 and number 6 like this. Okay, middle of this line 6 to 3. This is the middle, and I measure half inch into, and I divide this point and 3. I connect 3 and that point. I extend this line to the armhole line. Okay, I measure again 2 inches and I draw my armhole line like this. Can you understand? Half inch, middle 6 to 3 points, and I extend this line 2 inches. Okay, this is my front armhole line. Now I am going to my back armhole line. I measure bust circumference 38. 38 divided by 4 is equal to 9.5 inches. I measure 9.5 inches and add 1 inch. 9 inches and 1 inch is equal to 10.5 inches. Okay, this line 6 to 3 and I measure 1 inch. I draw my back armhole like this, and I extend my back armhole ¾ and I draw my new back shoulder like this. This is my back shoulder and this is my front shoulder. Okay, before cutting, add sewing allowance ½ inches back and front and armhole, okay, for both.